Hello, friends. It's me, Ollie Owl.
And me, Miss O.
And welcome back to another day of sounds and words. Will you all read the learning target with me today? I can identify specific sounds and words.
Super job, everybody. Our first activity is going to be coming up with rhyming words. We haven't done this one in a while. I am going to say a make-believe word that rhymes with a real word. Our category today is family members. My make-believe word is going to rhyme with someone who could be a real family member. Let's give this a try. Here's our first word, flad. Who in your family rhymes with flad?
Dad.
That's right, Dad. Good job. Let's try another. Brister. Who's a family member that rhymes with Brister?
Sister.
That's right, sister. Super job. Let's try one more. How about frother? Who's a real family member that could rhyme with frother?
I thought of two. Mother and brother.
Great job! Did any of you come up with either of those words? Super job coming up with rhyming words today, friends. For our next activity, we are going to identify one word that doesn't start with the same sound as the other words. I'll say 3 words. You choose the one that doesn't start with the same first sound as the others. Listen carefully. Crunch, cry, for. Which one has a different first sound?
4.
That's right, for. Brick, brain, walk. Which one has a different first sound?
Walk.
Good job, walk. Drink, hear, draw. Which one has a different first sound?
Here.
That's right, here. Let's do one more set of words. On, print, prize. Which one has a different first sound?
On.
Good job, on. Awesome job identifying which word has a different first sound than the others. Now it's time for us to get our choppers out. Ollie and I are going to chop all the sounds we hear in a word. And when you do this, you're going to put it together and say what our word is. Listen carefully. B-R-A-D. Braid. K-R-A-B. Crab. D-R-A-P. Drapes. Let's do one more word. F-R-E. Free.
Great job putting all the sounds in a word together to say what a word is.
For our next activity, we are going to identify the middle sound we hear in words. I'm going to say 3 words that all have the same middle sound. You're going to listen and say what that sound is. Ready? Crib, trip, spin. What's the middle sound? That's right, braid, slate, flake. What's the middle sound in those words?
A.
That's right, A. Let's listen to one more set of words. Clock, trot, smock. What's the middle sound?
Aw.
Good job, ah. Awesome job identifying the middle sound you hear in words. Now it's time for you to get your choppers out. I'm going to say a word, you're going to repeat it, and then chop all the sounds you hear in the word. Here we go. Say tray. Now chop tray. T-R-A. Good job. Say brush. Now chop brush. B-R-U-S-H. sh. Awesome job. Say crop. Now chop, crop. P. Good job. Let's try one more word. Say drive. Now chop, drive. D. I.
Awesome job breaking a word down into all of its sounds.
That's right. Our next activity, we're going to say a word. I'll tell you the first sound to change. When Ollie flaps his wings together, you'll say what our new word is. Here we go. Say black. Change bull to tur. Track. Say class. Change clue to gur. Grass. Say flag. Change full to burr. Brag. Let's do one more word. Say gleam. Change gul to cur. Cream. Great job changing the first sounds and words to make a new word. Now for our next activity, we're going to start by saying the rhyme of a word. I'll tell you the first sound to add, and when Ollie does this, you'll put it together to make our word. Listen carefully, friends. Say rame. Add frame. Say raid. Add g. Grade. Say rent. Add p. Print. Let's do one more word. Say red. Add b. Bread. Great job starting with the rhyme of a word, adding a first sound, and saying what the word is. Now for our last activity, we're going to say a word. I'll tell you the first sound to take away. And when Ollie does this, you'll say the rhyme of the word that's left. Listen carefully. Say draft. Say it without d. Raft. Say fry. Say it without f. Fry. Say gray. Say it without g. Ray. Let's do one more word. Say praise. Say it without p. Raise.
Well, that's all the time we have for today, friends.
Great job identifying specific sounds and words.
So we cannot wait to see you again. I gotta fly off now. Have a great day.
We'll see you all again next time for more sounds and words. Have a super day.